Hello, my name is Zeno and I'm from team 8390W. I'm the builder and designer, and I want to show you a more advanced design of a previous video's design, in which where we showcased a design using the linear motion pack. Today, I want to show you a more advanced one using the gear add-on pack. The parts in this pack are mainly these VEX IQ gears. They're different sized. These rat gears, worm gears, crown gears, corner connectors, and linear slides. Moving on to the designs. This is what it is. So, these elevators, each elevator should have two main components: a drive, and a guide. In this case, the drive is this little gear here and the rack gear. The guide is also the rack gear and these linear slides. As you can see here, these two parts were made for each other because they're specially designed the linear slide is specially designed for the rack gear to slide in. So this is made up of two linear slides to hold the whole thing, to hold the elevator onto the rack gears, and the gears to move it. Turn this gear and moves up. This is the front view. So they're made with they're each connected with standoffs and a few bars. This is a pretty simple design, but it's much more advanced than our linear motion pack one. And if you didn't watch that one yet, you could go watch it. You could go watch it after watching this video right here to find a more simple design, an easier one to build. So this is the design we have for today. Hope you learned how to build this, and just maybe I'll see you in competitions. Bye bye. Happy building. Yoi.